Hello children, today we are going to practice learning our sounds.
Remember, my turn and then your turn, okay? S, z, sh, unk, b, k, d, g, j, p, q, w, x, y, ch, a, e, I, o, a, e, I, O, U, R, or, ow, boy. Our new sound for today is My turn and then your turn. Well done. Let's look at a picture side. And it's of a mountain. Mountain. Well done. Mountain. Well done. Mountain. Good job. Let's look at pictures with the sound mountain. Good job. Mountain. Well done. Mountain. Well done. Mirror. 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 Well done. Moon. Moon. Well done. Moon. Fantastic. Mouse. Good job. Mouse. Well done. Mouse. Good job. We are now going to write the sound. Maisie, mountain, mountain. We have a picture of the moon. Before we write our word, we need to sound it out. Are you ready? How many sounds are there? Fantastic. There are 3 sounds. Our first sound is Can you look for on the sound chart? Good job. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Our next sound is oo. Can you look through on the sound chart? Fantastic. All around the orange. All around the orange. So we've got oo, Can you look for on our sound chart? Fantastic. Down knobby and over now think of words with the sound. Can you write these words down? And can you also practice the sound? We can't wait to see your work on Evidence Me. Thank you. Bye.